Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on systems that might currently be using legacy BIOS. It's important to understand that Valorant's anti-cheat, Vanguard, strictly requires UEFI firmware and Secure Boot to be enabled. This means directly playing on a legacy BIOS system is not possible. We will guide you through the necessary steps to configure your system for Valorant compatibility. Before making any changes, let's verify your current system configuration. Open the System Information tool by pressing the Windows key and R, then typing msinfo32. Here, you'll find your BIOS mode and secure boot state. If your BIOS mode is legacy, you'll also need to check if your operating system drive uses the MBR or GPT partition style. This information is crucial for the next steps. If your system is currently in legacy BIOS mode with an MBR partition drive, you must convert your drive to GPT first. Windows offers tools for this conversion. Next, restart your computer and enter your BIOS settings, usually by pressing F2 or Delete. Navigate to the boot options and switch your BIOS mode from legacy to UEFI. Remember to save your changes before exiting and restarting your system. With your system now in UEFI mode, re-enter your BIOS settings. Find the Secure Boot option, which is typically located within the Security or Boot tabs. Enable this feature and save your changes before exiting. Once your computer restarts, Valorant's anti-cheat, Vanguard, should recognize the compatible environment. You can now launch Valorant and enjoy the game without encountering Secure Boot-related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.